I ask you few questions, children. How many fingers are there in my both hands? Children? Yes, you know that? 10 fingers. Yes. How many ears do I have? Ears? Yes, 2 ears. I have 2 ears. Which is more, children? 10 is more or 2 is more? Yes, you know that 10 is more. Yes, what I am doing here, children? Yes, comparing. Comparing the numbers. Yes, which is more, which is less, which is greater, which is lesser, which is biggest, which is smallest. Yes, here I am comparing numbers. Comparing means, what is the meaning of comparing? Yes, finding out the number, finding out whether one number is greater than or less than or equal to the other number is comparing. Yes, children, I repeat. Comparing the numbers means finding out whether one number is greater than or less than or equal to the other number. Yes, that means which is bigger, which is smaller, which is greater, which is lesser. We are going to find that. Before that, I say you one story, children. What is that? Yes, there is a fish. See here, children, how it is looking. How it is looking, children? Nice, no? Yes. Here is a fish, children. Fish loves to eat numbers. What do we eat, children? Yes. For us, mama cooks, we eat it. Yes. Then what it eats? It eats numbers. Which numbers, children? Yes. For that, I say you one example. Here, for example, your mother gives 2 chocolates in one hand and 4 chocolates in other hand. Which chocolates do you like to eat? Which set do you like to eat? 4 or 2? Yes. You like to eat 4 chocolates. You like to eat 4 chocolates. Here also, fish likes to eat bigger number. See here, children. Fish likes to eat bigger number. So that fish has opened the mouth towards bigger number. Fish always loves to eat bigger numbers. So, fish opens mouth towards bigger number, children. Yes? Yes. For example, I give you here, we are going to learn about comparing numbers. Yes, for example, I give you here 23, here 16. Which is bigger number, children? Do you know reading, forward counting? Yes, how we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Yes, do you know counting, forward counting? This is the forward counting. If we count backward, means how we count? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the backward counting. Yes, children, you know very well forward counting. Which is bigger from these two? How can you say, children? Yes, by counting the numbers. Yes, which is bigger? 23 is the bigger. Then here for comparing numbers, children, before this I say you for comparing numbers, yes, we use 3 symbols. What are those? Greater than, less than, 2 parallel lines means equal to. See here, children. Here, greater than, what is the spelling? GR. Already we have learned these symbols in first class. GREATER THAN, greater than. LESSTHAN, less than. This is EQUAL, equal, TO2 equal to. Yes, children, remember? Yes, greater than, less than, equal to. Yes, children, which is greater? 23 is greater. Yes, what symbol we have to use? Which symbol we have to use, children? Yes, for that, once a reminder. Fish story. Fish loves to eat always bigger number. That's why fish mouth opens towards bigger number. See here, children. Fish mouth opens towards bigger number. Yes, I use different color, then you will be understand, children. Here I gave here 16 now. Yes, 23 is bigger. Fish always likes to eat bigger numbers. So fish mouth opens towards bigger number. That is here 23. Understood, children? I have used which symbol? Yes, this is the fish mouth looking like a greater than symbol. That means here which symbol is this, children? Yes, greater than. Which symbol is this? Greater than. That means 23 is greater than 16. How we read, children? I repeat, 23 is greater than 16. For example, one more example I give you. Here 9, here 12. Which is bigger, children? 9 is bigger or 12 is bigger? Here also 12 is bigger. I say you here, I give you here 90. Yes, now you tell me, children, which is bigger, 19 or 12? Yes, 19 is bigger. That means here it's better, 9 only is the better number here for understanding. Yes, children, 9 is smaller than 12. Here 12 is bigger. That means fish mouth opens towards bigger number, means here that is 12. That means fish mouth open towards, yes, 12 number. See here, children. Yes, 12 is bigger than 9, so that fish mouth opens towards the bigger number, that is 12. Here I have used, yes, which symbol, children? This fish mouth looking like, fish mouth is looking like less than. Yes, that means 9 is less than 12. How we read, children? 9 is less than 12. For example, I give you one more. 6 here. 6 is here. What about same numbers I have used? This here is 6, here also 6. So that fish got confusion. That's why fish mouth opens towards this side and this side. That means both parallel lines. Fish mouth opens towards this side and this side, means that is parallel lines. Those are parallel lines, means equal to symbol. Which symbol is that, children? Equal to symbol. If two numbers are equal, then we use equal to symbol. Yes, children, understood? I hope you might have understood. Few more examples I'll take, children. Here, number 4. For example, 46. 59, next 16, 53, next, children, 24, 12, 75, here 90. Yes, children. See here children, yes. See here, here 46, here 59. Which is bigger children? 46 is bigger. That means fish mouth opens towards 46. Bigger number, that is 46. Now we understood children how I have written the symbols here. Children, yes. Next, 16. Here 53. Which is bigger? Yes, 53 is bigger. Means, sorry, here 46, here 59. Which is bigger children? 59 is bigger. Yes, 59 bigger means fish mouth opens towards 59. Yes, that is less than. Yes, fish mouth opens towards 59, that is less than. Here see children, here 16, here 53. Which is bigger? 53 is bigger. 53 is bigger means fish mouth opens towards bigger number, that is 53. Here see children 24, here 12. Which is bigger? Yes, 24 is bigger. That means fish mouth opens towards bigger number, that is 24. Here 75 is bigger or 19 bigger. Is 19 bigger? Yes, 75 is bigger. So that fish mouth opens towards 75, that is greater than.